With your smart light bulb, you can turn lamps on or off from your smartphone, tablet, or PC. To get started, identify where you want to monitor lighting and take the bulb to that lamp location. Screw the bulb into the lamp and make certain the power cord of your lamp is plugged into a nearby electrical outlet that isn't controlled by a switch. To pair the light bulb to your Peak system, access the Peak pairing page on your computer or smart device and select Pair. Follow the on-screen prompts. Once the light bulb is successfully paired, it's time to give it a name, such as Living Room Light. Once your light bulb is named, test it by turning it off and on from your app or Peak dashboard. Now you can create custom rules to tell your bulb when to come on and off, making your life a little simpler. That's it.